My name is Jeff Crosier. I'm going to cook for you today turkey and wild rice soup. So let's get started. Turkey wild rice soup is one of those dishes that just feels like comfort in a bowl. This soup turns leftover turkey into something warm. Start by adding olive oil and butter to a pan. Saute the onion, carrot, celery, garlic, Italian seasoning, and then add in the all-purpose flour to mix a roux. Add the chicken stock, wild rice, pulled turkey or diced turkey, mushrooms optional, heavy cream, salt, and black pepper to taste. Wild rice adds hearty, nutty flavor. Wild rice isn't just filler, it brings texture, depth, and slight nutty bite that makes the soup feel rich and satisfying without being heavy. Cozy and creamy and nourishing. With vegetables, herbs, broth, and tender turkey, the soup is balanced and comforting. A cold weather classic. On a chilly day, the aroma alone, turkey, thyme, onions, carrots, feels like warmth spreading through the house.
What is that?
I'm Chef Jeff. This is turkey wild rice soup. Enjoy the comfort.